Hey, hi, good afternoon. I'm going to get started. I guess nobody is going to join me, so I'm going to start now. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish, or we're going to read this book again, Pam's Healthy Snack. We talked about it on Monday or Tuesday. Let me check. We talked about it on Tuesday. Okay, we read the story. We went over the vocabulary words, and I waited to answer the questions because I was hoping that you would join me so that we could, you can help me answer the questions. But I don't want to take too long, so I will do this one today, and hopefully tomorrow you will help me with tomorrow's reading lesson. Okay, so, but first, instead of going over the vocabulary, I wanted to show you a short video about eating healthy because you remember that we talked about eating healthy when we read the story. Okay, so let's watch the video first. It's short, about 2 minutes long.
What do you think it means to be healthy? Lots of different things affect how healthy we are, including what we eat and how active we are. We know that all living things need food to stay alive. Have you ever wondered why this is? Can you think of a time you felt hungry? How did it make you feel? Perhaps your tummy rumbled. You felt tired or grumpy. Or maybe you found it hard to concentrate. Why do you think we feel this way when we're hungry? Well, just like a car needs fuel to make the engine work properly, our bodies need food to be able to work properly as well. Today we're going to investigate what it means to eat a balanced diet and why eating a range of different food is good for us. What is a balanced diet? Do you think it would be healthy to only ever eat chocolate? What about if you only ever ate carrots? It's very important that we eat a variety of foods, and we're going to find out why. Food contains something called nutrients. We'll be learning all about nutrients, such as proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Eating a healthy diet means that the food we eat gives our bodies all of the nutrients they need to work properly, as well as giving us lots of energy to learn, play and grow, keeping us full of beans from morning till night.
Okay, so we'll learn more about that in some of our other lessons. But right now we're going to talk about healthy eating. Pam is going to choose a healthy snack. So let's read the story.
Pam's Healthy Snack, Level C, by Cara Callum, illustrated by Alex Weishart.
Okay, Pam's Healthy Snack. Okay, so the first page, there's Pam, and she has two foods, right? She has one food in each hand. One hand has an apple, and the other hand has a cupcake.
Pam is hungry. She sees an apple. She sees a cupcake.
Okay, do you like apples? Do you like cupcakes? I like both. So let's see what she chooses.
An apple is a good snack. Is it good for Pam's body?
Is apple good for Pam's body? Let's see.
A cupcake is a tasty treat. Is it good for Pam's body?
Okay, what about cupcakes? Are those good for you? What do you think?
Pam will choose a snack. Her teeth will break down the food.
Okay, so you can see in this picture, those are the back of her teeth. That's inside her mouth. This is a picture from inside her mouth. So there's the roof of her mouth and her teeth. And this is, I think, her tongue, yuck, and saliva, and the food breaking down. Okay. And once it goes from the mouth and she swallows it, it goes to the stomach.
The food will move into Pam's stomach.
Remember, that's one of our vocabulary words is stomach. It's an organ inside of your body, in the middle, usually. And it looks like this, which you can't see it because it's underneath your skin and your bones and your muscles and everything else. But that's your stomach. Okay, there's Pam. She's looking strong.
The apple is healthy. The apple will help Pam's body.
I wonder how the apple helps Pam's body. The apple is good for her. It gives her some energy, I think.
Pam's body will feel good if she chooses an apple.
Okay, her body will feel good if she chooses an apple.
The cupcake is not healthy. Pam's body will push the cupcake out.
Okay, so the cupcake is not as healthy. It doesn't have as many good nutrients, like we learned about that word in the video we watched. It doesn't have the nutrients she needs. But does it mean that you can't eat a cupcake? You can, but you don't get a lot of benefits from it.
The cupcake will not help Pam's body.
It didn't help her body. She ate the cupcake probably. It's good. It tastes good. Okay, there she has an apple.
Pam chooses the apple. Good choice, Pam.
She chose to eat the apple. Would you choose the apple or the cupcake?
The end.
Okay, that's the end of the story. And here's some of our, oh my, not this one. Some of our vocabulary words on the communication board. So if you have a copy of this at home, ask your parents to help you find some of the vocabulary words or ask you to find them. Test yourself, see if you know some of these, okay? One of our vocabulary words is healthy. Healthy like Pam. The person is holding an apple and it's showing that they're strong and they have muscle. Healthy.
Healthy.
Okay. Now, let's see if we can find some more vocabulary words. Maybe parts of the body. How about bones? Where's the bone? The bone is a part of the body that you need to keep strong and healthy. Calcium is good for that. Bone.
Bone.
Okay, another part of the body that helps you move. You need to keep strong and healthy. And protein and exercise is good for that. Muscle. Where's muscle? Right next to the bone is the muscle.
Muscle.
Okay. And now we're going to look for another part of the body, the stomach. That's where the food goes when it's all broken down in the mouth, and then it processes it and it takes out all the vitamins and minerals and nutrients that your body needs. And then it gets rid of the waste that your body doesn't need. There is the stomach. The stomach. And finally, another vocabulary word that we can find is what part of the body is inside your skull, in your head, that also needs to be healthy because it's a very important organ that you can't live without. It makes all the decisions for you. The brain. Find the brain.
Brain.
Okay, so now that you found some of the vocabulary words, let's answer the questions. So I got to go back to lesson 2. It's not in this lesson. So that was lesson 1. Lesson 2 is the question. And we are going to do one question at a time. Okay, our first question is,
what food should Pam?
Okay, so we are going to choose the word that best completes the sentence. What food should Pam, what? Should Pam body, healthy, stomach, choose, or teeth? What word would best complete that sentence? What food should Pam teeth?
Teeth.
No, that doesn't sound right. What food should Pam choose? She has 2 foods to pick. What food should Pam
choose.
choose? That's correct. That's the correct word. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. Number 2.
Her will break down the food.
Okay, what will break down the food? What breaks down the food? It's in the mouth. Is it the body, healthy, stomach, shoes, or teeth? Oh, you know what? I think it'll go ahead and be better if we go to this page. This is the page we do in class. Okay, so
What food should Pam
what should Pam what? What word did I pick to go there?
choose?
Choose. What food should Pam choose? Now, all of you by now should have a copy of this at home. You copy, or you can cut and paste. Okay, number 2.
Her will break down the food.
Her what will break down the food? Her body, her healthy, her stomach, or her teeth? What breaks down the food that you put in your mouth? You see it right there? Her teeth.
Teeth.
Her teeth. That's what your teeth are for. So those are, you also have to keep those healthy, because without your teeth, you would have a hard time eating. Number 3.
The food will move into Pam's.
The food will move into Pam's what? Her body, healthy, or stomach? Where does the food go after you swallow it?
Body.
In the body? The food will move into Pam's body? No. The food will move into Pam's healthy? That doesn't even make sense, huh? The food will move into Pam's stomach?
Stomach.
The food will move into Pam's stomach. Okay. And number 4.
Pam's body can use the parts.
Pam's body can use the what parts? The body parts or the healthy parts? What makes more sense? Pam's body can use the healthy parts of the food.
Healthy.
Okay, so for example, the apple, some of the healthy parts in the apple that she needs are the fiber. Apples have fiber in the skin especially, and a lot of vitamins and minerals. Okay, so there's a lot of good things for Pam's body in an apple.
Which food is good for Pam's?
Okay, which food is good for Pam's what? And there's only one word left, so I think we'll get it right, huh?
Body.
Okay.
Which food is good for Pam's body?
Okay, so that is those are the questions or the sentences completed. Okay, and those are some of our vocabulary words from this book. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I will see you at 1:30 for the afternoon meeting, and then that will be it for the day. So bye guys, see you later.